nana no no mo zongo o mun kai se ye bibia this ahabaya kan o remember park anaji guru mi wafa anaji guru mi papa embo no ndi pamcho o mu ba o muntia o de place no o be fe o mu eche o mu ka o mu ji bi ni mbono.
Pride, arrogance, share a hand time, and they kill house of folk. Pride, any hand time, and then they kill house of folk. I'm telling you, people must be prepared to come go and deal with their supporters. High horse no baby omotino, high horse hono, baby omotino bofa kese no mo kaino. Supporters in Tiasia. When you do football, succeed with the supporters. That arrogance, pride, yan kamasem, ukamasem umwadi, yan criticizing me, what did you matem? That sort of behavior and you come house of folk. What do you mean team kakakati say house of folk? Abay any do matemo. What do you mean team kakakati say house of folk? Abay yan criticize you. I don't hear me. Are you God? That nobody can criticize you. Go criticize you. So we obi. And criticism, we are raising critique, and it is legitimate.
El Chicharito.
Se va para el gol. Aguero! Staggering! Just staggering! He's won the league with 90 seconds of stoppage time to play.
Could have gone down there, Sergio Aguero. And arguably, he's been their most consistent player this season. He stays on his feet, and boy, does he get his rewards.
And the Barclays Premier League has produced here the ultimate in sporting drama. Madrid, Glitterati, Chris. Now then! This place is rocking and rolling.
Okoman Radio.
There to dream, Roma.
Winning one!
Are you ready? For the thousands in attendance and the millions watching around the world from the capital city of the United States of America, Washington, D.C. Ladies and gentlemen, let's get ready to rumble!
All right, Okoman 97.1. And now, Poya Siam Betanasi, a good yemuntem, Echegu or Ghana, happy Bremna Fins on a name. Yes, yet to me the moon come on, pa. Ya tuned into Okoman Global Sports. Yes, sports around the globe. say football, athletics, basketball, tennis, boxing, any other sporting disciplines, you know. Yet national fans, yeah, Dimon come on. Three, yeah, live on Facebook. Yes, we see the Facebook live. Okoman Radio 97.1 on Facebook, YouTube for so munyingum yaba uporemo YouTube so Okoman Radio 97.1 benya jumedi na channel live and clear ajunchira fafo na fabra nemo mansana no subscribe. Yes, on sa bell na da ho YouTube no. Me aso na beka ho. Bribi Okoman Radio be live no so benya na atienka na fin so to enjoy show no. Arope ma min ti obibia. So bia ho ye. Ma fe but yaba. Yaba. Enti mommy's joint. Abuna mama. Mami arope ma min ti o. Me hu se mabie mo ha mutie show no. Na so mo mbe didi nyana afili show no. Amo fili Okoman Radio, amo fili Okoman Global Sports. Mommy's joint abna mama anope mintia o ye heavy papa. Na light na mo fa my still on. E jan sisi o munyina. Omo wa ba wi light ni masa ban you. Mommy nyame na yene abe. Samson na mintia kosi of akosi antano. Yes, we need my phone. Nso mabiem. Afei the Boroma Pentecost Church, Smart Renchi, Pentecost Church opposite pair. Yes, and then Madam Anita. Yeah, Madam Anita, be my sport in Papa. Send your message in about Mama passport to one and just to be a Felicio. Madam Anita, ono back to Accra. Yago hard, you know. Yay! Yes, mutie show na pay ma mintiamo. Did you say BBI fine? Yes, nyamenene. Na mintia house for sport and food joints. Most of heavy. Be nice kitchen or Bapes cuisine. Munyina mo heavy. Na one in town, Manglo unkrano as ayayao. But Manglo so heavy. Mangloria or heavy papa. Bichano him room. Na Bella dia za. Sana Bella ya Bella michiao Spring Rose na namente on kai Sanka message about pim do you want some and payment on kai but them say you know the akem. Oh akem Minchi Obibiana pay executive producer Yura Kofi Anton perform Nana Kofi Okori Ajiman Pasolo Paradise Amunyina Boma Chiram Krabi Asante the Indefatigable Taichire Dende DJ Ziggy Heavy, I still have funny here, but still not Tim. I Ziggy or Tim is the one good chrome. Or Tim my Bajuma Ziggy Yamishirao Sansona, the controversial man. And I made you want them. G-Man, yes, the boy. I don't know why I don't check the boy. Make sure my friend is a man's a boy. And I come but the ball heavy on a Paminchao DJ Donzi and also Boy Chidom Detending. There's also called the Apostolic Church Ghana. I want to say, don't you so across Papa? I call about Sheni. Walk through or the Zabang where they won't crew all through Papa. A man of Sheni. I want to know about so, but I'm sure no more you over your son him. And I don't know about so I know yet you Accra man I know so much you baby. Hey Donzi. I heavy papa. Sir Thompson so hard everything come up. And they say I a friend teacher who name Sir Thompson a friend teacher. Come out to tape. Je m'appelle Tomzi. Je m'appelle Kelvin. Anthony je m'appelle Kelvin Amponsah Addi. Yes, so from me AK the boss player match also. Now Blue Man so blue message in Mensaka. Mr. Blue, we are heavy. Mincha on a pay. When you say UEFA Champions League abaso. She member remfie na big game ho. Napoli etna fi on Napoli. Ani association Calcio di Milan abo. Na ukopiem kase na the Stamford Bridge Chelsea the Blues. Ene nananya ko o Chelsea team no na mugina ko no. Oni Real Madrid, Papa Django Real Madrid no. First leg and Chadam Farmer Chelsea. Chelsea for say ne remontada besu. Come back besu. Train the Chelsea for say number say. What do you want to say? I am telling we for when you come back. You be room near the come on man and some baba fisam baba. If you some no door something you be shania for your room na in come out on here to me the bar. Menka star 787 hours. Star 787 hours. Omukraimu kwa CBA Hotel. Omuswaso ya siya samne nyina ba. Enti tamu kuchu. Antino na say I don't know ebe huram na manane sama babara say Tom wa ha me mana kwa bansara makwa manane say Tom say bibia e fine
boss bibia boko
e bibia e kama more resume on
gidi
oh okay na nkwara no ba school
no maba next week run a sports
sir oh next week mo sports on okay mo budget did a year
gidi
say me huram na MC ya say municipal sports directorate no I want shana sports ne wa ha no mo chemu kena but the baby so me blame you infrastructure ni no facilities ni no ntina ya na ha adwin sa but be share na edimu nkomo nti bibia fine so che French
me che French
tinu be ka bibi kakra masa onya okwa asore nche mu asore obeka be masa obeka bibi kakra French no
tout le monde bonjour.
Okay, let's also Amanfo good morning. Yes, don't you need the honor? French, me yes, let me try 95 or 100. Now, but could be see and Moses Wasem, the birth of Moses. Oh, French, oh, no, Mammy Janas, yes, with the Christ. Moses, the Sir Tomsy. I don't know, on a French teacher, Papa, our year, Salem Presby. China dia kona che or impacted knowledge. I won't call anyone say a conkind papa panty. I don't know. I ever come on any apa. Now your partner say yet me be think come out on and someone on any papa and someone until don't ziggy. Ever kona you know Anthony the aju ye now you free more na me both from hana and no man moria crantino. I'm an instant no in room na face no yan famra.
Chicharito. Ahí la tiene Torrado. Torrado la juega por abajo, el arquero sale, la tiene Gio. No hay arquero. ¿Quién le pega? ¡Gio! ¡Golazo! ¡Poema de gol! ¡Apago la luz!
Yegram na fensi ya kwana mananinsam no eno so ya tumeri ya pa me ka se nano pay no ya tenemo star 787 asoma dama enso ekremu a yenso ya mananinsam ni nyina enso na ebra wa dwumadi no so sanso na kwa CBA Hotel enso ekremu didinde na eke menso ma che atwa mananinsam no menso me wuram na fenso ma tumeri ni nyina enso na tumeri ya bra ne berama yensa sem free UEFA Champions League quarter final second leg encounter no nim se na ni nyina etwa Chegu Antona Wamanania Yeri Munsam Epana Johnny live on Facebook. Uba say ne visuals no send de bia e kan send odo visuals at say utie no na fe so twen sama odo eno so na Chegu Antona Wamanania Yeri nsem nyina no enso no etumi area ba na urama UEFA Champions League onu send na matches mienu enso betotwa award UEFA Champions League quarter final second leg and company mo na akopiem on Naples de na se bo kwa ne den enso de SS Napoli etna fie enso tonsa e da fra AC Milan boboko no na mo so etumi ade abo an internet Facebook no na se obom se na dwumade no enso etwagu live on Facebook na fe so no amonitor na se bibia nso no etumi akoso kama sene to first leg no so no and you know AC Milan etna fie o Giuseppe Meazza enso etumi ache Napoli boboko no upon a kabakwa Napoli so entimi ante na second leg no enso na tocho yeri mai tie for tanto na no Chelsea the Blues are fie enso na Stamford Bridge at 7 p.m. Ghana time against Real Madrid team no in Madrid for touch down wire no London almost 20 musa almost Madrid and I say Chelsea game no enso betimi akoso nti sene so send ukopiemu Anthony Stamford Bridge dia na say no Real Madrid boboko no enso no ekwana feso makotua Chelsea no almost 20 media point and so nsama etotwa yanso ne etumeri mai tie for ne ekwana feso no yenkodi nkomo say na nkomo na sifa eko yansa sem fanfi aye the home team no aye Chelsea for boboko ni mo onu say no coach and din enso the Frank James Lampard no ono atem say interim manager enso to be adiama boboko ni din enso ni Chelsea wo ho na papa ba ni man tada nkonkan so far watiba boy 4 matches bia ni wa wodi nkonim Lampard walusu aye 4 matches ni nyina enso Chelsea catching ahead of the game no ono so to in some out no enso no etumi ya to draw out to nanum to enso the for Chelsea na game amuso ne Real Madrid boboko no enso betumi abo message join live on Facebook obo say Frank James Lampard so ekasa enso na wo na yenko na fenso no yenko tie nsema Frank James Lampard interim manager na Chelsea ono so no etumi area to twa head of na nwumre game and also no ebeto twa enso eho.
We're not where we want to be. I think the word broken is a bit much, but we're not where we want to be. And that's clear. League position is a reality in the Premier League. We're 2-0 down in this game. So I think those things are just reality. We have to work against that and show in every way we can because we're in that moment. I don't think anything tomorrow will be better than winning the Champions League, from my opinion, because we had many moments on that run of difficulties against Barcelona in that game and Napoli and all this. It was a huge run where there were a lot of big achievements. But I understand your point. I think for us, considering the result now, considering the team we're up against, because in that moment that we're in, we have to fight really hard to make it happen. So of course that would be special.
Winning someone Frank James Lampard interim manager and my Chelsea Bobo corner ready to James Ani Amanfo kase and Nadia so corner just say Okodin couldn't qualify near Diana so Chilumsa Ed India but I'll check Brebia Chum against Barca 2012 or yeah Jumano Samson against Napoli a Brebia Chum also yeah Jumano Emma Neno Ed Chelsea qualify Ned Ding but also not just say Niamaba Concan my Chelsea Bobo corner and say Lampard who plays in the fitness yes Lampard on his players fitness as Amanfo kase players no amunsara enya fit sa Akropong no oni omo yadwen.
It's enough. So criticism of the previous regime, is that how you meant it?
No, I think that's how you've taken it on that side, because I think I'm always big in football on personal responsibility as a player and as a group, to be fair. So when I'm talking like that, I'm not blaming anyone else than what I see now and what I see in the future. So it's just something that we have to address now and address going forward, because it's a big part of the game, and we do a lot of work and delve into the data, the statistics, the output of what we're putting into games. And this is absolutely, I think I said it the other day, not a question of commitment of players, but my job is to try and focus in on points that we can get better at to compete at this level. And I think it's something that I know as a short-term thing that we can certainly improve on, and that's what we're going to do.
And then in summer in the Frank James Lampard interim manager and my Chelsea Bobo Kono and so the two just and I believe you can knock it size Chelsea players I'm a fitness and now Baba Tuna but I'm already sound no your head coach and my Chelsea team no better boy I'm in a place almost on fitness level and so to me I come kinda young coach Niamra players so a brand anything and so the Kepa Arrizabalaga on your goalkeeper and my Chelsea team in Tennessee to so I never say the Kepa on also a Samba and do now na Kepa kasa or say net game no Amanfo kasa mun kono nkoku mu o say ne so obi ne kana san yedu or die that you say o so munya botre yebesi no ene yebesi Kepa Arrizabalaga.
Tomorrow is pretty much, if your season is going to continue in a meaningful way, you have to produce the performance of your lives to get through tomorrow. Is that how you see it?
Good afternoon. Well, tomorrow obviously is like a big game. It's Champions League quarter-final, Real Madrid. We are playing at home. Obviously it's not going to be easy, but I don't think we need the performance of our life. We need a good performance, obviously. We need to deliver our best and do the right steps. We cannot think or overthink. We have to go step by step. We have to defend well. We have to attack well and do the great game, I think.
And in the summer, and then Kepa Arrizabalaga and so on. Area to Amanfo Casanadi. Now say, "Wo yo, mupemu wa mubenya mo kwa atena fenso mako deliver." Area ma Chelsea na Kepa say, "Hey, we na nyedu oda afa munyanto we ase. Ye kofane normal na ya born ya qualify." So they akwa ni na Kepa Amanfo ka last two seasons now say performance na nya. But I feel there umode mmano wo soro. One kasa Kepa Arrizabalaga. Ungu say nenu this season performance and so at send Kepa on his performance this season. And also say another two.
I think it's a positive, very positive season for me. Looking personally, I think the last two seasons I had played 15 games per season. Now I am playing more. I am feeling well. I am feeling with confidence and I am enjoying on the pitch. I think it's the basic. I think it's the most important thing. And obviously the season in general is not the best one, but personally I think I am happy with my season.
And then in summer, Kepa Arrizabalaga on a goalkeeper and so the Chelsea Bobo Kono and also to media to German Seminano Yansu Yeri Maite for still on Okoman 97.1 Message join live on Facebook Nyamani Chagu now first one Huniako and so I did the upper and sound to YouTube no and also woman and Chelsea in Madrid in Samna and then so yet to the Bazigi making sure Yaman to Makonkai and so to media man Yanko now first city Yanko Piemo and so our Madrid team no I only say Madrid. I'm a touch it down. Antono, our London Bobo Cone and that's a Cronima. I'm also showing this in Yamaba Cosana, Real Madrid coach. Needing Antono and Carlo Ancelotti. And also to me Casadia for coach and Real Madrid coach. Our neck game no and so to me Casa Carlo Ancelotti. Ninsema or the two jump and Sweeney.
We're okay, motivated. As always. These are all important games in an amazingly important competition. We're thinking that we have to have a very complete game. 90 minutes remain. We all know that in this type of competition anything could happen. We'll be ready to play our best.
And then in summer, then Carlo Ancelotti on the air coach at the Real Madrid, I'm sorry to George James and oh my crado, yeah, almost saying oh my crado, somebody Chelsea, and to now, yes, Stamford Bridge, on in summer, Carlo Ancelotti head coach and sorry, Madrid Bobo Coro, and sorry to John Owen and then Brenton in the Adam Militao, on say defender, and Real Madrid, and sorry to Justin Neno, almost so bad, but give me be, no my conemum couldn't be no, or the Beco Adam Militao. Our neck game no more. Ninsem and so any.
I think we have to do the same thing as before. We already have been doing a good thing, but keep doing the work together that we're doing tomorrow we know it's going to be a tough game. We've got to carry on doing the same.
And then somebody da Militao, I know your defender mapa, and so na Real Madrid Bobo Kono, and so to me I did too, Jana Yabamu, Yantua Sona Fensu Yan Sama Udono, then the Sifa, and so now Kwana Madrid training, Zig and Kabame Southern Madrid training, and so about to jump, and I might say for Facebook, no matter who yako, and so any near Bana, Ucha Bra Madrid, the Copium, and so now training grounds, our London as a Stanford Bridge, and I know year training, now check, and we can Madrid for no. And so the year 29 said, and one thing, papa, Ucha Karim Benzema, now Ucha Luka Modric, mo, to 295 years, now where we see no petting, now where is we see no petting, now Valverde extra check, now Carl Ancelotti catch up to her, Ujana, but short pass, it was nice to cross, also my long pass, it was no happy to all. That's a Madrid now, Kekano, and so now 3 years, papa, and Musamsono, yet to be ready to join the Facebook for Muhammad who said, a Madrid for. Aye 20 annual and so now Stanford Bridge no na se munsem nyina so no yet to be ade to drop and so to be ade my tie for na ye fi Madrid ye fi Chelsea na first kopie and so now Napoli bobo kodi mu onum se na Napoli so etna fie na fin so no on AC Milan and so to be the aboni na big game and so be to drop and so now ye Napoli scroll do ni na Napoli for e kodi ncho our AC Milan kronima na se enkonkan amfa wo in the first league na I'm chatting Senior Conkai and so to me Eddie Mom normal AC Milan coach and so to me Akasa and Asa Branten dim and so I Simon Kai on the defender with my AC Milan Bobo Kono and so to me in some Kaka and so the jam yet here for a Branten Simon Kai on and so no AC Milan player in some of the two at the far and a game against Napoli no and so any.
Non è un lavoro di un persona, è un lavoro per la squadra. Affrontiamo in queste maniere con il massimo rispetto e poi pensiamo a noi.
Yes, and even someone Simon Kai added to George Ramson and a game a big game, a tough game at Milan team no Nansoro or more GDO or Momnante Musane Niama Soba Conkai Yama AC Milan Bobo Konen and some defender and so my AC Milan Simon Kai and so to very two jar a Muslim Yansono yet to very Emma tier for Napoli for to me Lanchinia Mabitie on say Abrante Victor Simen Abrante if injured Yapa tie wapa Sansona Abrante ni and so at Cavascalia on sort of a player Edma ye Napoli Bobo Corona on set Cavascalia Dino and in a Canadian kind Sansona Osimanian Onedin kind Napoli force and ne knockout never cost tie almost the KO no knockout into the Mrantia no ejire ni mu anase and then no technical knockout pa and then almost what the AC Milan Bobo Conti KO no Napoli players no ejire Mr. Abrante Cavascalia and afenso no Abrante ni Victor Osimhen no and you check Cavascalia K now Joe Osimhen ona na say knockout and almost no etumiare ma AC Milan Bobo Conti no ko Facebook e bo say KO no and so da wa say niam so no e be kon kan dia man Napoli team no sana almost to me area to jam emu sem no nyina yanso yetumiare ma tie fo na Napoli sensem no edorso tie emu sem na pa Victor Osimhen Abrante na return on so na twani zania ma be kon kan and so etumi area mom na Yefi Napoli na yenko piemu enso na Barca Bobo Korim na Barca nsem no eya ye hu ye papa na Barca president Oriane din Anthony John Laporta nwakasa ose Real Madrid for onimsam hihechire Barca nsem mo omone eya La Liga president Javier Tebas mo omo hihechire omo twanim se anka Barca kra no ebeto redact am point enter on tenene Barca president anedin and so no and idea John Laporta na kasa o chemse Madrid for chire and afenso no Oriane din Javier Tebas no omo come na Barca nsem no so no eya kwakwa hu and so no Spain Croden but on Napoli and Arsenal no Barca president and idea John Laporta no o jiri se sansem we no and said an kosi bia sa ne nsema and so na tutwa yanso ye di mai tie for na Neymar Abrante no onu so prayer che nsema ba se Neymar so no likely say Abrante so no returning to Paris Saint-Germain training grounds at the end of this month, April. Abrante Neymar Jr. and also returning to PSG lineup primo and as the training grounds now feel so wakwa training Ediama PSG Bobo Kono. It's Neymar that suffered Dos Santos Jr. No Abrante ni pray report ne pa sa Abrante no ya torane sa ending of this month no Abrante Neymar that suffered Dos Santos Jr. no and also no returning to PSG setup no now first wash say training and so no to me Ediama PSG Bobo Kono na yeka injuries once and seven no Barca Abrante Ousmane Dembele Dembele so Abrante no so returning to Barca team no ono so no to me training no to my sister so into Abrante Ousmane Dembele no Abrante no so remu and so na Barca training grounds and na otunwe na wahuri sia na wapete na gym no Abrante no exercise na wahuri Dembele onan ye ane asibo shot na min check na Abrante no to me akeke ball Barca kachintene Barca fan no munya botoye ma Abrante ni no Ousmane Dembele no Abrante no so returning to Barca ono so the training no and so na sister so remu seb no and so my tie for na Newcastle I'm Sikaba next season Newcastle focus I would say Abrante Makoma Kumiansa Omokwa Kototi Abrante Declan Rice Newcastle for some pay Samson Abrante James Maddison Leicester City almost some pay Samson Ivan Toney of Bayer Brentford no Nsafi Abrante ne Bogos no and so to me ma Brentford Bobo Corinthians Newcastle for some Abrante Mensa Omona target na Omuya dum no Bobo Europa Abrante Miensen Akropong na Finson Amapemo Edema Newcastle Bobo Declan Rice West Ham United Samson James Madison Leicester City na Brentford need Ivan Toney and so Brentford Newcastle for say amucha nim some Brentford so babe see akan and so no let we dem Newcastle Bobo Kono na tie Cristiano Ronaldo akasa I say ono board wa ball oguso ball we say o sha say free Sporting Lisbon be Manchester United Eco Madrid Eco Juve Esamba Manchester United ne wo mu anasa o so board wa ball diama Portugal ne ade na ubisa ne say eleno only the best 11 on your map. Which teams are boss winning na players on my born only the best 11 Ronaldo see any goalkeeper no ebe Ike Casillas or no and then to post mo Samson about defenders na or Sergio Ramos bet to chiro Samson Abrante Rio Ferdinand also formerly of Manchester United and also the number 2 chiro na Juventus Abrante Giorgio Chiellini and also see or the number 2 chiro Ediama on the best 11 no Samson Abrante Marcelo also the Nigerian left back cause you say chiro be complete and no aye Ronaldo the best 11 now and also any of my ball ni dan and finish any tie also you so Toni Kroos what you so look at Modric that feels no good old day Abrante Paul Scholes na so the no so the Nigerian finish na say Ronaldo no also no con 4-3-3 formation na up front no say Ronaldo say abo Man U abo Madrid abo Juve and say no tie or say obey you so Karim Mustafa Benzema up front now what you so aye Gareth Bale and I feel so Abrante ni Wayne Rooney na say the white Pele on so to me not to anymore na say Ronaldo say the all-time best 11 on the footballing career say obofi Sporting Lisbon ebe PMO and no na say Mrante Makuma Kuduba ko you say on my bobo more one kind of say that Ike Casillas Sergio Ramos Samson Rio Ferdinand Giorgio Chiellini Marcelo Toni Kroos Luka Modric Paul Scholes, Karim Benzema, Gary Pena Fensoro, Wayne Rooney, Wayne Mrante Duba Ronaldo say Onomo Boa, Usu said Mona or na Sporting Lisbon when your player be a hot. Samson and said just a call you know so yes will be about the months around Conkai or yet na sell Bobo Kurmia and so Ronaldo son in the best 11 now. And also no etimu see a kind saying and also no etimi aboboy and so etimi and final Premiership for no team what dey English Premier League I release 40 players say we know as the team of the season no obetuma shortlist now 40 players no say that here 40 players no say that here goalkeepers no and Nick Pope Samson Aaron Ramsdale Samson Abrante Alisson Becker Liverpool Abrante Bernard Leno Fulham Bobo Korimo and I feel so Kepa Arrizabalaga Chelsea omo chirema sa goalkeepers makuma ko enum yi omo so no so na say be come you na say player of the season and I say short list of team of the season omo so chima bam and your goalkeepers enum Nick Pope and so Newcastle Aaron Ramsdale and so Arsenal Alisson Becker Liverpool Bernard Leno Fulham na so Kepa Zabalaga and so Chelsea na defenders I see Gabriel Magalhaes and so Arsenal Samson William Saliba Arsenal, Kieran Trippier, Newcastle, Steven Botman, and so Jerem, and so our Brentford, Abrante Alexander Zinchenko, Arsenal, Thiago Silva, our Chelsea, Belgium, Lisandro Martinez, our Manchester United, but me, and so Jeremu, and so Samson Luxor, Manchester United, Cristiano, and I said Cristiano Romero, and so Jeremu, our Tottenham, Bobo Kona Finsuno, Abrante Ruben Diaz, and so Newcastle, winning defenders up, Premiership follow, at my short list. Midfielders, and some of our Martin Odegaard, and so on. Abrante Kevin De Bruyne, Manchester City, Casemiro, Man United, Bruno Gomes, and so Newcastle, Alexis McAllister, Brighton and Hove Albion, Joan Palhinha, Fulham, Abrante James Maddison. Madison Ejim, our Leicester City. On also the woman short list na Abrante na PM. Samson Abrante solid match. Our Brighton. Karum Mitoma. Also Brighton. Rodrigo Bentancur. Also Tottenham. And Abrante ni Pierre Hobe. On also Ejim. Also Tottenham. Up front Alan Brown Haaland. Bukayo Saka. Harry Kane. Gabriel Martinelli. Jack Grealish. Marcus Rashford. Mohamed Salah. Miguel Almiron, Sansona, Abrante, Oli Watkins, Kai Have, Ride Mares, and Afonso, Darwin Nunes, English Premier League for Ankasam Zagro, and so almost a 40-man shot list, team of the season, Abrante, Darwin Nunes, also Barima, almost sharing himself, team of the season, players even but for me best 11, and so now in some Boba. Thomas Partey, Abrante Wuramu, and so short list, Ubeyi 40 best players of English Premiership Afia, Gazi Partey, and Count Monomono, and Concar, Ocean Midfielders, now share James Madison, no Chilum, not Partey Enuma, where say, and someone Casano, Rodrigo Bentancur, Chilum Partey Nim, then someone Casano, want and somehow. Eba yeri tu jana mirisiro mami urame na minkwasha Arsenal force Brighton idim Arsenal Michael Olise or Crystal Palace Arsenal force next season Brighton target amoko Akuffo no no so abi piemu Arsenal bobo kodemo and also in summer letotwa and so eba na Madrid fetwa unse ne Daniele Osato Italian referee no onu na ewuram na ne wakodi game no Daniele Osato onu Italian referee and Madrid e kwa we ni Chelsea no wakodi na Madrid for say referee pecado do twa ntwa amarante ni betwa na referee card obema na osusa nka ne omosisa referee na akebe boa na so UEFA say Daniele Osato Italian referee no onu wana ne onu so kwa kodrem na fin so wakodi game no and so no e wo ho and then sama abeto job and also yet me ere amai tie from an 7 doso ne mo ne se ne fata se oteno na ne so yet me ere aba ye beba fie na ya beti efie nkomo yes efie de no ye so no yet me ere be prew and so no e wa ha paransa na no ye twa ye ho and so no emra na fi so no efi sem no ye mfa ntujwa and so no emfama.
This is our own, let's cherish our own. Ghana Premier League is back again. I say this is our own, let's cherish our own. Division 1 League is back again. This is our own, let's cherish our own. Ghana Premier League is back again. This is our own, let's cherish our own. Women's Premier League is back again. Yadi wadoka wa NJ kanwa yadi ereshe mwa yadi wadoka wa NJ kanwa
enti I don't know yadi wadoka wa be de param mamenka star 787 as amune ukrai mu ansam ni nyina so ne yatena se yare pane se bawuro pa boni sahara se ya sorry so na star 787 as menka ncho so pesika and so at me Eddie amount oh yeah pepun oh yeah when you feet now pesika de dijuma star 787 as for phone no na star 787 as star 787 as na afei nso no also no pesika na say obo star 77 asa na what you see option 1 I know you try play now which is option 1 wie na play now no ba wi na say we go buy ticket na we go ticket no your 5 cities 10 cities 15 20 your full house na say do obi a pesa oto no nso ato na wadi sika edso no atumi ade agu obotom na odu momo pin atua na say bibia enso na come anti star 787 asana Amanfo disika ade agu obotom and pay chop money promo no era so ekoso kopem say dumienu be bono to ticket bia na ye che 200 Ghana cedis na so watumi ade di into for phone number star 787 ase na to ticket now fin so yen san che 200 Ghana cedis na so fa ko na fa ko di open chire mu bia fresh 0559 689 948 0559 689 948 and our WhatsApp no 0272 636 448 0272 636 448 na fin so no star 77 as for and so no indi enkomo indi amana enkomo kakra ansana ne ya ba fie etumi de fisem no and so no etumi eri aba se tomwa ha obewuram ene game se ba Napoli and I fin so no AC Milan na fi Chelsea and so any Madrid game no wadi mun komo issues sense so kakra wa amana ne no baby we so attach no no so attach se Tom say yes obewuram kakra remu amana ne
we have team of the season nominees now top 40 players keepers did you keep 14 clean sheets on count
did you count David count na say I don't know mami simu na Amanfo say hu tie we the Premier League team of the season 40 players shortlist now my releasing on my best no so there about 11 40 man shortlist na ni goalkeepers Nick Pope our Newcastle Aaron Ramsdale our Arsenal Alisson Becker Liverpool Bernard Leno Fulham and Kepa Arrizabalaga when you goalkeepers no the gian count
also na keep him on clean sheet
Ederson Man City ono so count no
on na keep him on clean sheet 14 and striking role no that boy Tony Brentford
Brentford Ivan Toney
only have it Nunes
David Nunes Ivan Toney him
ese ko be show ana party yes omo ye ni ese omo sa ba omo chi ni no boss and Champions League da o share Italian league na they are suffering in Europe for the past me can say 5 years ni they are suffering o share 19th banana the entire Italy for no who omo dominate wo Europe AC Milan Juve sometimes no Inter B but this year who last time we call Champions League final it was Madrid and Juventus and Juve versus Barcelona 2015 this time around no baby omo teams me and some represent Italy Napoli AC Inter probably ba ko be ko final no internet Benfica Osha ni enim say Benfica topping PSG Juve group no ni enim say obetria for Inter so but Inter the experience Lukaku mo the experience omo free Esha omo 2 goals to 0 omo home nti echina match no ye beka ho asem and then one of the big match here Napoli AC they be me say history is part of football and a Champions League history elite clubs no to say AC Milan Madrid Chelsea and co history back AC Milan Osha last time I say one of the team I me tip on some make final AC Milan now happy baby on nam so they can go you forget to say Napoli war form now say crash a league no cro share for news say you forget to crash Napoli war form the
first leg no take lead
was take league ana AC Milan team our Champions League that tournament enim no. Waji 8 times. Boss.
7. Yeah.
Waji 8, 7.
Yeah, 7.
Waji 7 times. Oh, okay. Waji 7 times. So league tournament no nimbo. Pa nti ebeden obi beka se Osimhen aba very good Osimhen aba there. But this tournament eteme edidimbo be eteme susu a ye the character na ebo AC wo character chain Napoli. They have good character than Napoli. Me hu say AC ensada Napoli so me Napoli efrim. Now to the big game. Madrid versus Chelsea. Now last week now Madrid show mo 2-0. Now share performance of Chelsea. Sa na beba. O pointing Lampard. Meaning say Todd Bowley no nim say no nim Lampard starts. Oh yeah, you ever started game no me say o ka say o share 3. But onim Lampard starts in Everton and Sana Oba appointing no. So my interim coach ma Chelsea. O share so Chelsea team create chance but team should go. O share for the past 4 games I say 5 games though. Yeah, was 1 goal. On winning winless on winning a game. O share first match na. You start here no. Na clear say Chelsea 4% more counter ball. Inti na Kante na blockage o any to pushy Lampard pushy Kante bang Toni Kroos mu say obeje ball because of his tacklings obeje ball dey ama Sterling mo almost speed na koma counter omo
I should give no kind of first minutes no clear cut chance Joao Felix enya ya
very good.
Yes.
Inti o here Ancelotti so hu no de Camavinga ebe shame finfin wo say and obie Toni Kroos call left side of the midfield. A honor game no sabi di Madrid side. And now here Madrid anymore na Vinicius no 1-on-1 is difficult so obeji ball every name. How they move. Madrid team no opa ane ball fair obi team no abo. Bo bia person ane obi team no abo. The movement of them anymore the three Rodriguez in there very good player. Only Vinicius and Benzema shared 21 goals in 21 knockout stage. Stage Edri, about 21 knockout stage, we shared 21 goals. So this big player there, he's nothing to write about. And then I'm not seeing nothing. Chelsea, per statistics or more, adding Chelsea can create, but one of the ball on the net. They have shown say. Go on the omunim share. And then one said they have 2 strikers so on bench. I try them.
Aubameyang I think someone register no for the Champions
League.
Yeah.
Someone
register.
Wow. But they have one striker, young striker.
Fofana.
Yeah. On a typical striker. What they can have it more to anymore now. They can't score. They create chances. But one at the ball no third half one at the ball no to net. Omuntu mi fa ball into net. Boss.
Chelsea problem acquire finishing.
Cause
I was sure last weekend even in a Premier League game against Brighton. We players Lampard parody or more up front. Sterling ne friend say.
Sterling they watch days of Liverpool. It's Man City na ye kakra na Pep Chen goals shake akra. But days of Liverpool, Sterling na otimi ye adwuma ni na ba last the baby a here. Ontimi she otimi ye adwuma ni na ba so be carbon na to net him. Ontimi have it so sa have it no I don't know. Minim the omo hunu a de bi on person de ne bonai. Oye number 10 oye playmaker. De bi order striker echi. I'm not seeing Chelsea winning, boss. Per Obibeka say come back Madrid come back or Madrid so.
Prediction
tournament yeah boy competition yeah boy. Omo na agene kesi. So omo hu bibia was actually two. Uniform. Matisse Lampard say Napoli, Omu Yebi. Anna Barcelona, Omu Yebi. No, and yet Madrid. So Anna Chelsea's uniform. Now one crown be go na Chelsea, boss. Me I'm seeing Madrid qualify. Madrid be by Chelsea, boss.
Prediction.
Madrid be Chelsea. I'm seeing 18 and Madrid qualify. AC dey say makase o meko final. AC dey o meko final. Baby o mo nam no. They will go.
Chelsea Madrid. Mami scoreline.
Mami guys Madrid will qualify.
To me, Mami scoreline.
Madrid will qualify. Madrid will qualify.
It's a Chelsea for
Madrid will qualify. Chelsea one go go.
O say amo Mudrik, amo Jao Felix. Sa.
There
Emfa.
And I born on mobile in Fifi one so. And as a Chelsea fans, you know, who say Enzo a big player. Yeah, who Enzo fans World Cup were performing at a big stage. But Andrew Cruz ni Modric mo on Drew ho. Now he can't crack by on he can't performance on Enzo. On Drew ho ebe fa be ni sisi or potential onye Cruz mo die ni bi say big man big stage. Now her first leg now who Toni Cruz ni Modric they were play say omo kra omo nyini omo they were playing omo necessary game no because here Chelsea I know me imagine say they will play counter football but they stop them the middle they stop them.
Okay
boss
okay I know as Tom there on a game no and you say you will enjoy such a fantastic game achina we bana ya be share send you know so esifa a call yeah channel say channel so no Okopi mo yeah Allianz Arena and it's a big game no so Bayern Munich and Man City you know achina yanso ye be wuram na ya dimu aye enkomo yamfa afisa no fie dia no stories no enso no embra na hu senia etie onim say over the weekend Ghana Premier League matches so na say enya sinkuma na had to folk etna fie awon kran enso ene nsu atraman etumi boy had to folk nyankunimdi 2-1 after the game coach anidin Eddie David Okulu enso ade sem kakra Eddie Jai.
My guys played very well. They played their heart out, even though it's not beautiful, but we got a needed result.
And then in summer, had to folk interim coach and as assistant coach David Okulu and so no etuya two Joanna Momoni Abubakar ono and so no and so Troman for coach ono so to me kakra and so to me the and the supporters and after some Lucia against Hat to folk.
Look at it, it was very impressive from both sides, Hat to folk and Israel as well. I think we didn't take our chances. They took theirs. But I think the scorelines will have been where it is. I don't know, been poor officiating. I think the referee is not on top of his game. Because the penalty he whistled for, who compared him to whistle for the penalty? What did he see? I mean, he whistled. What happened has to confide in the fourth referee. I think some of these things have to stop. He has thwarted our effort. Officiating has thwarted our effort. That's the summary of this game.
And then summer Sotroman head coach Mumuni Abubakar and sorry to Chua. And after the game against Hat to folk na Abranti man of the match. I had to folk Abranti Amankwa Befi or no any man of the match as so ho. Amankwa and so in some kaka Eddie.
Because we are targeting the league and we are taking it step by step, so it's a good win for us. How would you describe your performance? My performance, I would say it's good because our coach initially told us to be mobile up front, and that was what we did, and we got it.
Amanfo had to folk player on man of the match. Our had to folk against Sotraman and so our guy and then some Branton 82 Joanna Yanko Korokwakachi Amo Koye Ekopiemo and so now Brekum Golden City Park Edin Chop Ekamian San Omantumiante against Brekum Chelsea. Now Abdullah Ghazali on also Jeremuse coach Adama Korokobubu Kono so after the game then some of the two Johnny.
From our side, we were here to pick 3 points. Unfortunately, it rather go against us. We didn't do well. The entire team, we didn't do well because the way we wanted to play, we couldn't get a chance to play that way because of the nature of the pitch. I think our players, we have to go back to the drawing board and work hard in order to correct these particular mistakes. We have been considering goals through our defensive line, and I think there's need for us to correct it more because we have done a lot about it, but unfortunately it's keep on repeating. So we need to go back to the drawing board and then work on that particular incident.
Go back to the drawing board. Now announcing some coaches do on Etaka Ochirama is Gorokomore Mono and Konkai with mistakes beyond year Chirua. Then Sarah Mfa pitch and also count and a Makoroko. And soon it me Edi in Kuku and then some Abdullah Ghazali. On the Jinam said Coach Arma Santikorokono. And so it's married to Jonah Brekum Chelsea coach Christopher Enin. And so it's me Kasai after their win against Asante Koroko.
I can't be my limit. I'm still fighting, I'm still pushing. And the most important thing is, I'm so happy, not even really with the points, but I'm really happy with the score because it became something that it's only one goal that I get at home. So beating a big club like Akropong-Akuapem tells you how improvement we are. And I'm really grateful to my players and then the technical team for the great work we did.
And now, Christopher Enin, head coach at Brekum Chelsea, and also to marry San Seminary 2, Joanna Yankwe. Tamale City and so no etumechi bechem Bobokono etumia yedo mo 3-2 na head coach Arma Tamale City Hamza Mohamed and so after the match etumia Kasai Erifa Gimson and Yachi send Tamale City and so etumia kunimide tough game there na so kunimide no Eko Edema Tamale City Hamza Mohamed head coach Edema Tamale City.
So you are disappointed from 2-0 down and then losing to 3-2 to Tamale City football?
I'm very, very disappointed. It's football. I'm happy.
Coming back from 2 goals down to pick the 3 maximum points, how is the feelings like?
Let me say Alhamdulillah. It's great. Just one word, great feeling, because if you look at where we are lying on the log, having 4 matches to play at home, 5 matches away, you dare not drop even an inch point at home. To go down in the first half, the first 8 minutes, for the boys to show that great character in the second half, coming back into the game, to extend winning the game, I just say Alhamdulillah and kudos to the boys.
What actually went on in the first half, considering 2 early goals?
We went to sleep, let me put it that way. We anticipated that they are second on the log, they have nothing to lose. We have to give them the opportunities for them to play. That's what we did exactly, and that's why we considered those goals. A sloppy tackling from one of the central defenders, a loose marking from our right back. That's how we considered those 2 goals. But in all, we corrected the mistakes when we went for the recess. We came back strongly, and then that's the results that we got.
Going forward, will you blame those 2 goals on your defenders, like you say?
The entire team, because they are not the only players on the pitch. Yeah, there are 11 players on the pitch, and then we lost concentration for that 2 early 2 goals. We could have considered more. I mean, if we didn't give those instructions earlier, we could have considered more. But we are being so good. We went for reset, 2 goals down, came back in the second half, and then we redeemed and then had a winner.
One of your key players were out of the squad today, Samson Adeku. What's wrong with him?
I think he wasn't ready for the game. He fainted injury. That was our last match. He had a little bit knock, and we thought it would have been okay. But we have another serious matches that we play. We didn't want to risk him. Him and Samia Koto, we all have picked some knocks, and since we have another equally important match, we decided to raise them so that moving to Accra against Great Olympics, I think they will be fit for the next one.
Looking at the fans, the great feeling up there, they showed that they really have their heart in the team, and a little bit of word from you to them.
They've been great. They are our number 12 players, and you saw it when we came in the second half. Although a minimum size of supporters in there, not like our seniors, that's RCU, but they gave us that support, and then that's the result that we got in the second half. They've been great, and we're most grateful for them.
Winning summer, no coach and sorry, Hamza Mohammed, Tamale City head coach no. And so it's ready to join Kasim Menge or Kante. And our head coach at Mabechem United. I'm on a court Tamale Ekodi Incho Ekamiensa Momo Timumi no Kasim Menge or Kante. And so I then some added to join.
You are disappointed from 2-0 down and then losing to 3-2 to Tamale City Football.
I'm very, very disappointed. It's football. At times it happens. But the way it happens, it's not good for Ghana football.
What actually happened?
You were part of it. You watch the game, so I don't need to tell you. I don't complain about officiating. Those who watch will complain about it. And we've written to the FA for them to call for the clip and watch it. So when they watch it, whatever happened here, everybody will hear of it.
But what's your assessment of your own performance after you took the lead in the early hours of the game?
It wasn't bad, but when we took the lead, the way the officiating was going, so all the players were afraid to go and tackle. Well, immediately you go in and attack, you whistle against you and give you a card. So the boys were running away from tackling. So that caused.
Okay, so did it actually continue till the end of the first half? Because Tamale City Football Club came back strongly in the second half. They equalized the 2 goals and then got the winner in the latter part of the game.
I say I'm disappointed the way the match went. I'm very, very disappointed because when you assess and we play about 70% of the game. We were total dominance. They come in for a while, some while, then we take over the team again. We play, but football. At times, some things will frustrate you. When the frustration sets in, that's what will happen. So I don't want to talk much.
You think your defeat today will affect your chances of winning the Ghana Premier League?
Definitely, where we reach now, if you lose a point, even it can affect you. So we lost a 3 points, but we're going home. We're drawing table and see how we can come back for contention of the league.
As he said,
Sama Neno, a coach and here Kasim Mengo Kante on a coach Erma Bechem United. And so to me ready to join Aneno Ariana Stars on Sene Amon Ban from a year Nanaj Mameru a sports stadium and Omu and so our year locked up Kwamichi a sports complex a hall and on bomb game Obatanafi at the Olympics ebon a Kabakwa Olympics and to me anti events upon my show on no Kasamafo and so the man a Ariana Stars Bobo Kone Kasai how game no and I say we know and so it's so important and so it me Erma Ariana Stars Ninsem and so no any.
Now emerging the ability for the first time we go home away from home now a very difficult in the year more supporters and a ground you training just one on that point and kind of your game and now we look at when you're used to the sport but you look at the boys in the idea you motivate your mom now you motivation now you could be in the country yeah, that is excuse me, it's the boy home again. Now, the United game, so we could now make a competition at Kotoko, Mediama, came out of the banner. You need to then Brazil chance. Now, the kind of Kotoko didn't go against the teachers. Now, you're motivated to win game now. The best you're not Kotoko, quite apart from that, so now you need to make the ball the following day. So, and when you are. So if you could do me now, mentally thinking now, say, you first a jelly in the and then a diploma, a deep
and then in summer, even support maestro Kasamafo, and so might be an stars, Bobo Kono, and so to me a 2 after so much Olympics. A boy and cover comment to me, and even some Amanfo say Olympics one now, Mushaman, and said, and ye be as we say, mere formality, and said, and ye be as up, and I want to Olympics. Even say, hey, one more no, some more canning in a yanocre. Ye mere any, see a best near Ghana for some part. Yes, no, you're away from home, no, you bet me abo. Evans upon my show.
That is so. The country home say you improve Ghana for you say yes. Ghana football club no. Sorry. Yeah, we can no. better than the mind. I'm follow Ghana League, Obi has to make an assessment, Obi to Diana Crano, the Mount Quana really much. Meanwhile, no really Jayabuya. Yana Yamin more away matches. If the Ghana for now, the young one near the match they win, definitely you're the best team this year, and you have prepared very well. The win there winning, and yeah, I did be an editing for the number a performance. It's not a Ghana for now, say neutral ground piano. Diana F for you a bit show. And I know that motivate ya, the cool thing you want, never found that Roma, you get out the reference, and definitely no, winner, a boy, papa.
In summer, Evans upon my stroke, Amanfo, Edema Ariana Stars, and the two Jana Evans in himself, Ariana Stars there at Moom Stadium, Nanajman Bedu Park. Yes, fantastic one. But I'm a Pima Brankase, Dr. Kwame Chase Sports Complex. Also, facility, only saying, Kampa. Edemamu, na den abekache Dr. Kwame Chase.
Ownership and management of Dr. Kwame Chase Sports Complex in Bomabaso for that wonderful education and of course football the market stadium in Africa and Ghana. The Kwame Chase Sports Complex one education and who dreaming you come for the first time. We teach Nakasa grass and teaching quality and my ball control over DSO city or pop plan. The DI is teacher one cannot was so another one cannot form. Oko dressing room facilities there over my panel on my and a press boxer. Nami a surprise how they come with and my mother come to about so in the management or my idea papa. Here is able to put a wonderful edifice. The vampires in any park or memoir almost very the same thing around my football net develop.
Rivers upon my show. I see Dr. Kwame Chase upload this. So born in 7 the mouth. And we are budget for say no Abrankase o sports stadium no. Also what me INSA. Now even send here why INSA dey am money there. I say mo home games no our number ball and as mumba system.
But you are any difficult year or park and so you feel at home you go born because you are calling training for a day our park and so and okay Diana football club on a very quality pitch the organ idea quite meeting why modern body here pitch come a dia kwa modern by team see now you okay our research na supporters or more Abrankase the buy.
And also in some Evans upon my stroke Amanfo Edema Ariana Stars. And so the two John yen we and command the course what you chedo on is answer yenyana na ya. But Evans mami miss away. I said more often was supporters no Eldoma and in an Ajman Bedu Sports Stadium. Say Mafia another VBN said and we shall Mafia.
Kind of also no na dia ba ko a na one stadium and na the first stadium na we there na one stadium in fact you may see your supporters other dia ya bobo do mahaya omoba in their numbers that supported Diana football club and my team kuni and ya bobo do mahaya feel at home the supporters written by in their numbers the now ya ko bobo the company for complex we kai room ya basket supported 3 VIP bases. The first support the domain could go Kumasi. Apart from that, the team could be 3 days to Kumasi, training or Abrankase. 3 days, when you have to calculate 35 men contingent, hotel expenses, transportation, airport training, hotel bills, and a lot of expenses in a cost to home. Like I said, your boy, one of the best games this season, Abrankase now, but you will put it in a return there, but now it's not born in front of our voice supporters. A day you say a gilly, now you're gilly, you get to open an idea, you know, Abrankase. Abra, Domai, you say big home ground.
Okay, and then some Evans upon my stroke. I do 2 job at Evans, Yamfa Stadium, my son and Twumhene. Nayamra, T. Yasimu ko bo Tamale City for e can be ani amama saban ya mo so mo bo Abrankase na mo sansa mo charges afene dia bom no mo churo defense ya ko anasa mo jane sa mo charges rankasa no mo domafo Ariana Stars mo fane say
again football club legal team no Asia FA pen people actually almost defense kama after me about 4 PM no na ya carry as a content LGF who deliver your response of course no mo dia boy no and our target no mo dia years no or dey ya ni ye no so e come GF and then e koye no around 12:31 no ya serve obi LGF to the prosecutor the disciplinary committee and the general secretary obi a copy I serve mo say ko di no mo dey boy no yan so ye dia no ye ko.
Okay, what the manu ya kwe say FA disciplinary committee ne say ane manu ye no mo de aba ya kan ye hu na mo no antwa ye sanctions no mo de bom a mo no mo be je ne sen.
Yes, it is a committee no. So mo better na so. No ma je ko do mo de boy no. No ma je anu ye a ye se de ko ye no. No ma wi e no mo fe na dia je na fun pastor na wi ni fo. E ti mo ran channel mo fe be gan na one second. E le mo sabi mo di fo. Mo ko so mo bon e wa wi. Ni ya na o GS ho. Ba me ni say defense ya faale ye and based on charges of mo de boy no. Yo GD ma pa say e fi be tene sa earlier decision esco no bandit favorite grounds no. Na Kenya kwanya na midweek here be direct energy akọ your favorite country na one side you doing the bien go start.
Evans upon Mastro ono ne no kasama for PRO and so my Rihanna Stars nin somebody too cha and so you say I know am defense no am de ko efe ne trans din no she say if in this session am mo ten na no mo ho efe no so ka say na we wan ye ni ye still ban ne tua am so mo ho na mo gidie say efe no better ni decision no Oshe defense omode akwana and then sama Evans upon Maestro on say kasama for Mariana Stars and so etumi editu job yerbesi na hwena ya soro so yerbesi na hwena ya soro so bara sato beka fie zam kakra
I mean cap pitches in one zone.
Okay
Kotokone menze Brekum Chelsea you be say sell your games no you sponsorship I be sponsor a game your league. But see pitches are able so. Last week was say Dreams in a house of folk. Share the park no. Week we so last week so share Brekum Friday no. Kotokone Brekum Chelsea. The pitch AstroTurf no crown can for AstroTurf no crown league there. Brekum Chelsea pitch no boss baby and na you cry. Ana Kotoko near Diana. Sunday, some match in the Diana Sha, Diana beat my league, Anna, okay, last time, has G League, has Echo share between and a 10 has, and my has G League. You say has 44 points, right?
Yeah,
42.
Has 42.
Yeah, 42 points. 42 no. Has Kosha, over 45. Ana Kotoko ne Diana no. Is it pressure about Kotoko team no so. Sense be about the about players no so it's a must win for Kotoko players no. Kotoko ntimi en lose to azu mienu sa there bi.
Okay.
Ewo baba yara. Kotoko by almost Kotoko benya draw and answer Kotoko be win. Inti has timi ko share bichima last 2 seasons turn around with Messi am house of folk.
Okay.
Has to be to me. And I share bottom line on so from 9th position about 17th position. Obi at me relegation.
Yeah, is it I say Olympics Johnny Eja I miss Olympics Kim Faisal. As I saw share dreams no Johnny Eja o
Kim Faisal any dreams be born. Na dreams were 31, na Kim Faisal were 32. So much me shave name what the pop.
Yes, it was a fantastic game.
Dreams na ebo born na but dreams here changes be. Omo player be we ni frame. One and able born in no uniform now. Born as a sign. And a man dream house Kim Faisal a shell. So points in a here, so teams in me here papa. Is this our bottom line? Kotokuna you know say or relegation. From 9th position by BC 17th. Ulu super call. They Ulu see a game be a better waba. Was
okay. I know I say Tom dear say ADBC China Babani Hrum and Kasane Ashe and some old one and also no to me aka and so okay and to my meko Facebook now fin so no my kind messages kakra and also no aba Facebook one to me aba sorry so jumedi ni muna media no and so to me atwa so na Facebook no Starboy the aba also watching the show live and clear at from Mem Airport. Kelvin Amponsah Real Madrid is winning tonight against Chelsea. Greetings to Yasma Oyibo Boateng Tactics man and my father, my lovely father. No joke on so nedia what me ade aba and so I don't know Sansona 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 Inconisi. Ya sebe and so the need aba and also say good morning. The message to me added by and Charles Marfo. So you are live inside Prudential Bank Limited, Ring Road Central Accra. Let's say Charles Marfo. The message Charles. Chiao Samsona Kwesi Premier also watching live from University of Education Winneba North Campus inside Zoe publication. Happy birthday to my champion man DJ Maestro of Radio Windy Bay. UAW from Kwesi Premier. Tianei DJ Maestro happy birthday. Solo the nearby say more fire. And so no enko emfa emamo yedebesi na asori sta jumedi aka no and also etumi aba na abeto so ede amamo but me kwei maminchia adwumawura incoming assemblyman Erima Abuasa Akuffo adwumawura arapawe micha papa uguso ubo adwuma ede amabuasa Akuffo koso ana yire ho abo adwuma na fa support abuasa Akuffo Akropong ana afenso no Akuffo enti adwumawura ohene safori fianko anope maminchia papa enso ewo ho mami's joint I'm sorry pe na na meni chire na makodidi na bibia ay kama abrama na me kwa kodidi na bibia kama sansana Madam Anita na we na sister Anita yes wo Pentecost smart rinchi opposite pe ona wo ono odoba yago kora keto akra seto ma kora keto akra be obe 1 year akora no pa o Pentecost go be o tongo be no opposite be o tongo be no opposite no se ba akwa da on okay akora no fe pa ntino stanita one yago arope michi am papa ntino yedebesi na yako executive producer you are Kofi Anton Bafo and Akuffo Okarajiman Sansona Pasolo Paradise Kobe Asante Ajopokia wanam omunya boy DJ Zigibi Donzi and so time ichi ema sema odo no etumi ebaye say Tomzi on tomoten nka ni upper class and as okwa koto so
koto na obviously supervisor kraba
antina ise okona akoye antino supervisor nya wotre eba sisi anti no bidi ya Kelvin Amponsah Addi amebo achinam eba na abeto so bidi nya meja Chelsea for you bomb pa am why Chelsea for poker ne Felix Mr. Felix na nya ko Chelsea nya meja why Chelsea nya bo e china Chelsea for e be shia why